That's Rex and Duke. And that big white dog over there, that's Sassy. That's the neighbor's dog. My dog tries to act bigger than the dog that he's running with. Look at this. Look at this. There he goes again. Right back there. Right. Oh, right about there. Boys! Let's go! Come on, doo-doo! There goes Rex. Right up to the front of the house. No leash. Come on, Duke! Here comes doo-doo. And he just trots. Just trotting. He's getting ready to pee on something. Get up there. They're pretty good, but they misbehave occasionally. Guarantee you. Oh, yep, look right there in the yard. Come here, Deal. Come here. This is my boy. This is my boy. Doobie, you on camera? You smiling? Can you smile? Can you smile? Wanna go inside? Don't pee on Dad's brooder. Get out of there. That's my brooder. Well, it was a brooder. I gotta figure something else out. Rex doesn't really like me. He gets punished a lot. He's ready to go inside. Alright guys, thanks for watching.